So what's bugging you? How about millions of cicadas? How many cicadas? Well, that's what those ugly suckers look like to begin with. Now let's come over to this tree and take a look at that. And we're just getting warmed up. I don't think they're all out of the ground yet. Look at that tree. Isn't that something? They're just getting warmed up today too. You can hear them singing. But it gets a lot more intense as the day goes on. I don't know why they picked that tree. I don't know if maybe the bark's softer, because I come to this tree, and while there's a few of them on there, it's nothing like what you see over there. Look at this. See, there's a couple of them. They're not pretty, but they're edible. So if you're hungry, I can get you buckets of them. I'll show you this other limb. I mean, look at that. That's unbelievable. So enjoy the flick, because it's 13 years before we can do another one.